not they don't trust him, I just gotta double check every now and again. How are you today?
Good.
You have one choice to make here at the beginning. It's a tough one. Do you want to do your solo first or your rudiments first? Good call. I did too. 13, stroke roll. Cool. Oh, you lucked out.
Huh?
The flam. Good. Double Rademachew. Solo today is Tornado by Mitch Markovich. Whenever you're ready. Very nice job. In future, bring down the stick height a little bit, give you a chance to not slow down some of the tempos, because I went through a nightmare with this too. Mitch wrote a couple of them, and they're nightmares what he wrote, but they are great solos, and you just attacked it. That's what you got to do on this piece. Thank you for coming in. We'll send results out in a few minutes. Yeah.